Upcycle. In today's video, I'm going to start with my problem. We have this cute little bathroom, but I have no storage. There's this one little blue cabinet that I really like, but I think something else would serve better purpose there. So I'm going to try to find something that I can make over and go in its place. Come along with me as I solve my problem. After months of thrifting, I found two cabinets that I can marry together and hopefully they'll work. I began by prepping the surface for paint. The tall cabinet is not solid wood, so I ran into some issues with that. But in general, I just took some Murphy's oil soap and washed it down really well. I'm going to place some wood trim around the bottom. It will solve two problems. One, it will hide the legs when I marry the two pieces together, and two, it will give the piece an extra support. After the pieces have completely dried, I'm just going to paint. It took about 4 coats of the paint to cover well. I wanted to take off the doors of the bottom part of the cabinet, but I can't because when they were put on, they were stripped. So I have to leave the doors on, and that's going to be another problem I have to work around. The back piece of the tall cabinet is nothing but particle board. I'm going to switch that out, but first I'm just going to paint the rest of it so that that back can add support and it won't tear apart when I'm moving it around. Now to focus my attention to that back piece I was talking about. It's held on with screws, so I'm going to save the screws so that I can put them back in the cabinet. I had a piece of bead board left over from another project, so I'm going to take the board that I pulled off from the top cabinet, trace it as a template, and then take my jigsaw to cut it out. I think the bead board will tie the two pieces together well. After going through my stash of hardware, I found 3 little knobs that I think will be a nice addition to this piece. So after placing them, it will be time to put the cabinets together. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do a furniture makeover of your own.